Hello sports fans, welcome to RV'ing with Luck. I'm Ralph Luck, and today we're going to be repairing a small leak on this Caddy. So this is my project. If you can see here, this is the extra tank for dumping gray and black water from the RV, basically to extend your stay. Instead of when those get full, you fill up this baby. Now, I had a pinhole type leak here from me dropping it hard onto the ground when it was full numerous times, and at the seal got damaged. I tried a caulking that after it hardened didn't work, and after many months I ripped that off. This is a tank I very rarely use unless I'm going to be out for maybe 14 days. Haven't needed it in a while, but just to be safe, I found something that might help. Flex Seal. I've been told that's a great way to seal this type of a leak. So first step I'm going to do is clean or sand off using this Gator sanding blocks that I've never tried before. Yep, Ninja's in on the repair assistance team. And I'm going to sand it off. So I'll show you when we're done sanding. So after sanding this down and cleaning it, I've already sprayed 2 coats on there. I'm going to do one more. Okay. So it goes on, it's like paint. And we'll give that 48 hours and then we'll fill it up and test it out. So after testing it out with clean water, I did find a pinhole leak off to the right side where I didn't quite do anything but get a little bit on there. So what I did is I sprayed heavily on that right side where that pinhole leak was still coming, let it dry for 24 hours, sprayed it again for 24 hours, sprayed it again, then waited 24 hours and filled it with water, and now holding great. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed and watching, please subscribe. It's free.